Hey guys, what's up? It's that time of year again. Christmas vibes everywhere. Today, I want to show you something super cozy. We're going to build a 3D fireplace in Python. Flames, sparks, the whole thing. Let's dive in. Alright, fire up the VS Code. If you don't have it, grab it. It's free and awesome. Make sure the Python extension is installed. Create a new file, call it fireplace.py. In the terminal, just run pip install VPython. That's all we need for the 3D magic. Alright, let's write the full code from start to finish. You can download it from the description below. First, import the libraries and set up the scene. This brings in VPython for 3D graphics and random for natural-looking movement. These are the wooden logs, flames that get random size and upward speed, and sparks scatter slowly in all directions. Finally, the animation loop that brings everything to life. There we go, hit run, and look at that cozy fire. Flames dancing, sparks flying, perfect for the holidays. If you're enjoying this, give a like and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. More fun simulations coming soon. Merry Christmas, everyone. Let me know in the comments what you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching. Stay warm.